Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss our lesson. A synopsis: The Swiss Family Robinson. It finished now, and today we are going to discuss the beside questions. Means which questions are given in the margin. These question and English workshop. These questions are very easy to solve. If you read this lesson properly, then you can solve this question easily. Means you have to write these beside questions in your notebook. How many questions are there? See, on page number 6, there are 2 questions you have to solve in notebook. Then next page, there is one question is there. Then on next page, page number 8, there are 4 questions, and in this page there are 2 questions and one more question is there on page number 10. These questions you have to write in your notebook. You have to read this lesson 2 times, then you have to find these questions answer and write in your notebook. If you means you do not find any questions answer, then you can ask me on the group. Okay, and but you have to read this lesson 2 times, and then only you can solve these questions easily. Then English workshop also, see, these questions are also very easy. Question number 1, it is related to compound word. Means when I taught this lesson, in one lecture I told write these compound words and write their meaning in your notebook. It already you done, then no need of write to again this question in your notebook. Okay. Then next question number 2. It is also easy because last year also we learn about the means use the word as a noun and as a verb. Means use the following word as well as noun as well as verb of your own sentence. Okay. Means when I taught means before some basic concept of grammar, that time also I taught this. Means use the word as a noun as well as verb. Okay. Means you have to you can watch this video again and you can solve this question easily. Okay. Then question number next. See. Question number next. Question number 3. It is related to given in a mixed order below are some good human attributes of the family. Pick out each from the box and write it against each line that reflects it. Means here are given some words. Okay, some human attributes. You have to pick out this and write against in which line reflects these words. But for that you want to read lesson properly. Then only you can solve this question easily. Okay. Then next question is write in your own words how the Robinson family made each of their home. Okay, means how they made their first home, second home, third home and fourth home. Okay. You have to means only you have to guess it how they read in your textbook. No need of to write in your notebook this question. Okay. Then next, expand the following ideas in the paragraph in 2. Okay. Means paragraph or 2. Means here you have to write expand this idea into 80 to 100 words. Question number 1 is where there is a will, there is a way. Okay. This idea is based on this lesson. Yes. Means if there is a will, then you can do anything. Okay. Means this how you can do anything. you will write the help of example in your notebook. Then next, expand the idea. Courage and resourcefulness are the keys to overcome problems. If you have courage, if you are resourceful, then only it is possible to you can. If you are facing any difficulties, but if you have courage and if you are resourceful, then only it is possible to overcome the problem. And means how these courage and resourcefulness are the keys to overcome the problems, that you have to means explain in 80 to 100 words. Okay. Then question number next. See, this question is reduced from your syllabus. So you have to do this question for a self-study. Okay. Because of some COVID-19 pandemic, this question are removed from your this lesson. Okay. Like this way, if you have any difficulties about any question, you can discuss with me on group. You can, if you have any queries about this, then you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.